everyone. Thank you for tuning in to my first video ever. I'm not sure how this is going to work out in the end, but I thought it'd be just a good idea to go for it and work it out as I go. So the basic concept of this channel will be that I pick a theme, I collect recipes, and I choose 2 recipes to pit against each other. I'll make the recipes and I'll film the process. And in the end, I'm going to choose a winner based on the originality of the recipe, the level of complexity of the recipe, and of course, taste. I'll judge the things myself, and I'll also bring others to bring in their opinions. Whoever is chosen as the winner will receive a $20 gift card to Amazon. Based on the popularity of this channel, that number might change, but I'm doing this for fun right now, and I'm not made of money, so... Anyway, the first thing that I want to go for on this is chocolate chip cookies. This is a very big staple in the baking world, and it offers a lot of variety, so go ahead and just submit your recipes in the comments below, and we'll go ahead and see how this whole thing works.
Like, comment, and subscribe below.